Hey, where did you want to meet for our date? Lol, nowhere, not anymore. Sorry, is something wrong? You're seriously asking me where we are going to meet? Yeah, is there something wrong with that? Lamau not a true gentleman, so I'm not meeting up anywhere. I'm not driving, so it's all good. What, I can pick you up if you want me to. Nah, it's fine. I thought you said you wanted to hang out? I did, just not with you. You're not a true gentleman, so it's fine. Dude, what are you talking about? A real man would pick me up from my house, not make me drive somewhere. Okay then, I just didn't want to ask for your address, cause I know people aren't always comfortable giving out that information. I thought if I let you pick the meetup spot you'd feel safer. Sorry for the miscommunication. Good luck in the future. Yeah, good luck. Thanks. I'm gonna block you, so don't be offended. No worries. I just think it's crazy how you would make me drive on a first date. All I asked was where are we meeting? Honestly, I was half expecting you to just send me your address and tell me to pick you up there. Well, you should have made that more clear. Men are so exhausting. This is the third date